Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a really super quick and super easy install, because sometimes you just don't have the time to sit down for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours just laying down your wig. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I quickly installed this wig in like 5 minutes. For real. So the wig itself that we're gonna be installing has these beautiful curls. It's also pretty long. I think it's 22 inches. When it comes to wigs, I love the inches. So the wig is from Tinashe hair. It came packaged in this box. So in the box was the hair, of course, and then it came with a mirror, it came with a wig cap. It also came with this that actually has a bit more info on Tinashe hair. I haven't worked with them before, so of course I really went through this brochure. It gives you the hair care instructions on brushing, washing, daily care. I like that. Oh, then it gives a bit of info. It was actually founded in 1996. Okay, so it's been there for some time. So Tinashe hair, and then I'm gonna leave a direct link to the hair in the description box down below, as well as any products or tools that I use to do the install. So let's go ahead and get started. It's not gonna be a long video because after all it's a short 5-minute install. This install is not really gonna be from scratch, obviously, because every day you're wearing a wig, you're not like cutting the lace, customizing it. So before I installed this wig, I had already cut the lace, 1, and 2, I had already put foundation on the knots just to make the part look a bit more realistic and the lace part also look a little bit more realistic. So by the time I'm starting the install, the wig is ready to go, which is also one of the reasons why it didn't take too long. Another thing you guys will see me using is the glue. Reason being, the glue dries faster than the gel. The gel really takes a lot of time to dry. So if you're in a rush and you want like a really quick install, the glue is your best bet. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, I'm gonna leave a link to the exact hair in the description box down below, and while you're at checking out the website, of course, you can see what other options you have in case you don't want something like this. They really have a lot of options. They have many options. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.